Hi, good night. My name is Irina Rosario Tapia Diaz. I am a student in English, and to continue going to show the slide about of organs of speech and these functions. Okay, friends, this is my video. And to begin, okay, this is in slide. The first slide, speech organs and their function. Found alveolars and localized to here, dental, labial, palatal, velars, ovulars, pharyngeal, and glottal here. Okay, to continue second, vowels and subdivision of speech organs, inhalator, phonator, and articulator. And this is the vowel E, 2-point mean sound long. This is example sheep, and this is I. This is short sheep. For example, in this U found good, and U 2-point. This is more long. This is shoot. A bed. This is a teacher. This is a 2-point. This is more along. Okay? And now bird. This is a 2-point to the. This is vowels. For example, the word cat. In this up, other 2-point far. In this up. Okay? In the continue, slide found the importance of organ of speech. Now read assure me. Speech organs are one of the most important subjects in the study of phonetics. It helps us to understand the articulation which are involved in the production of sounds. A clear conception about articulators can change the style of my individual pronunciation. Okay? Means with this going to the best our pronunciation. For example, do you speak English? Yes. Is now that speak English, but speak English well. Okay? Now, found phonetics and everybody ABC and read, sit, boo, you long. Remember, you long. This is long. Now, to, here, a, they, men, word, short, through, boy, who. Now, think, me, think. Now, she, the two letters, and zoo, short, casual, meal, and no, and hello, live, read, window, and yes. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you very much.